Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to claim Vbucks on Fortnite. First thing first, head to fortnite.com/Vbuckscard. Log in with your Epic Games account. If you play on a console, you can log in using your console credentials. Make sure the display name matches your in-game Fortnite name. Now hover over your display name in the top right corner and click Vbucks card. Then click Get Started. Scratch off the back of your card to reveal the PIN code, avoid damaging the code, and enter it without dashes and click Next. Now select the platform you want the Vbucks on, then click Next. Just note that if your console doesn't appear, double check you're signed into the correct Epic Games account that's linked to your device. Now review your Epic account, chosen platform, and the Vbucks amount, then click Confirm to finish. If you redeemed for PC, Switch, or mobile, your Vbucks will appear instantly in Fortnite. If you redeemed for PlayStation or Xbox, a second code will be generated. You must redeem that extra code on your Microsoft or Sony account. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.